everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to pension. Mr. A retires from Indian Administrative Service. Indian Administrative Service is very important, which means government employee on 31st May 2022. So he is getting retired on 31st May 2022. He will start receiving pension from 1st June 2022. So let us analyze the question. So date of retirement is 31st May 2022. He's getting retired on 31st May 2022. Receives pension from. He receives pension from 1st of June 2022. 1st of June 2022. Next, he gets 9,900 per month up to 36 2022. So from 1/6/2022 to 36/2022, he is getting pension of 1,900 per month. 1,900 per month. Next, with effect from 1/7/2022, he is making 30% as commuted pension. He is commuting 30% of his total pension as commuted pension. Then remaining 70% will be uncommuted pension. Uncommuted pension. Remaining 70% will be uncommuted pension. So with this information, let us try to solve the taxable pension. So first, let us discuss about the commuted pension. So the value of commuted pension he is receiving here is 30,000. See, his pension was commuted and he received 30,000 rupees. So 30,000 will be value of commuted pension. As he is a government employee, there will be complete exemption. So complete 30,000 will be exempted. Next, the actual calculation comes in the value of uncommuted pension. So from June only, see from here I have analyzed the problem. From 1st June to 30th June means only 1 month. He is receiving 19,000 per month as pension first. So only for only June 2022 he is receiving 1,900 as pension. From July, from July from July, he is commuted pension. So 30% he has commuted. So 30% ಅಷ್ಟು pension ಅನ್ನು commuted pension ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Remaining 70% ಮಾತ್ರ uncommuted pension ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So from July to March, it will be 9 months. So 1,900 into only 70% is uncommuted pension into 9 months, it will be 11,970. So 11,970 plus 1,900 will be 13,870. So when you add both, you will get the taxable value of pension. This is how you need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with some more concepts from income from salary in my next video.